Today is Thursday, April something, 8th, 9th, something like that. I'm off tomorrow, and Keith has been ripping down the ceiling, so now it's time for me to go out here and help him. I just want to give y'all a sneak peek of what it looks like before we get to work. I'm not going to be able to record this part because there's insulation particles and everything in the air. I'm going to show y'all before and I'll show y'all after. Okay guys, hey babe, this is what our floor looks like because we've ripped down all of that ceiling. And I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like. And now we are going to start taking it and bagging it up and getting it out of here. Okay, really quickly guys, just want to give y'all an update. We've cleaned all this out. The rest of the ceiling is down. That needs to go away. Hold on, babe. Hold on. Hold on. And what? Oh my gosh. What do you got, Eric?
Car.
It's a car? Yeah, so we got all this. So obviously, we can't eat in here. So since we can't eat in here, we said we might as well do a crawfish boil. Don't mind my hair. It's all wrapped up because I didn't want dust and stuff in my hair. But yeah, we're going to do a crawfish boil. So I won't bore y'all with the whole process again because we already did that. But yeah, time to eat some crawfish because it's Good Friday. Right, babe?
Right.
Good morning. Oh, happy Easter. So today we're just gonna have a really chill day. Keith finally talked me into watching Game of Thrones last night. I seem to be obsessed, so we're gonna binge watch some more Game of Thrones today. Keith's about to make coffee, so let's go see what he's doing. Hey hon.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Getting ready to make us some coffee.
Yay. Hello, little one. Oh, let me give y'all an update on what the front is looking like. Excuse me. All right. So this is the living room kitchen area. Everything is down. Ceiling tiles, most of the insulation. This beam has to come down. There's wiring hanging everywhere because Keith is in the middle of rewiring the house, which includes taking down the old wire. So yeah, this is our front room area. It looks like a disaster, but when it's done, it'll be amazing. So yeah, we are of course taking a break today. There won't be any work done to the house today unless Keith gets bored and decides to start coming in here and wiring. Yep. But other than that, you know, this is how it's going to look for today. We're just going to... How it's going to look today. Today we're just going to relax, enjoy Easter, stream some church somewhere, and give thanks for the sacrifice that was made by Jesus and God for all of our sins, and enjoy each other's company and give baby boy his Easter basket. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. We may wait and upload the vlog on Tuesday so y'all can get some shots of Keith actually wiring the house. So yeah, anyway, everybody enjoy your Easter, and we love you guys so much, and thanks so much for watching. This is baby boy's Easter surprise. Move, Bug, Boogaloo, Boogie. This is his Easter basket. So yeah. Hi guys, so I have no idea when y'all are going to see the footage that I've been filming because I have not edited anything this week, and I probably won't be editing much of anything this week. I actually am going to grab, hold on baby, I'm actually going to grab some shoes so I can show y'all the progress that's up front. Oh, how are y'all doing? I had a little moment today. Sorry, let me. Alright, TV. I had a little bit of a moment today, you guys. I just realized that with everything going on, there's nothing to look forward to. I've been working, and we've been working on the house and trying to stay busy, but there's nothing to really look forward to in your day when you get off. There's no dinners, no movies, no date nights, no movie outings, no family outings, no any of that. Hold on, baby. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Yeah, there's none of that to look forward to, and it just really hit me really hard today. Eric, you have to eat dinner. You're not getting chips. It just really hit me really hard today, so we just came.
I can have a hot dog.
Okay, what does that have to do with chips? That's not chips. It hit me really hard today that our lives are different right now, and we have no idea when that's gonna change. So yeah, I'm one of those type of people who don't really function very well in situations like that. So it just really hit me hard today. So if I seem a little off, I seem a little blah, if I seem a little distant on social media, that's what's been going on. So here we are in the living room area. I'm just gonna show you guys real quickly. All right, so Keith has been a busy worker bee, and all these yellow wires are hanging out of our ceilings for all of our new lighting fixtures. We're gonna have recessed lighting over there, not here. This is gonna be moved over for the light fixture over the dining room table. So yeah, all of this is going on in here. We had to go to the store and do a Home Depot pickup because we needed more wire. So that's a 12.2, 12.3. I barely understand what that means. Keith will have to explain all that to y'all. We needed some more lighting boxes and things like that. So the wiring is coming along. Anything you want to say, Humbun?
I'm just happy to be alive.
Yeah, battery's dying. Anyway, guys.
Getting ready to eat some crawfish.
Okay. Our battery's dying, but I just wanted to show y'all what was going on. So,
bye, guys.
toodles.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, everybody. It's Saturday. Where are we going, Eric? What we gotta go do? You don't know? Turn it down, please. So it's Saturday and we have to go do stuff. Boogie needs more food, so we have to do a PetSmart pickup, and then we're going to get drywall for the ceilings. We ordered our flooring and it should be here Monday or Tuesday, so we're really pushing it to try to wait, honey, turn it down. Never mind, I'll go ahead. Anyway, so we're really pushing it to try to get things done before the flooring gets here, because we don't want it to just sit for too long. Since we changed to the vinyl plank flooring instead of the wood look tile, we have to get the cabinets in first, so that's fun. So I'll turn this around and let y'all see what Keith is doing. Hey, honey.
Hey, man.
So what you doing?
Not much.
Not much. What are you taking out?
Just this brace and that was in for the whole hood.
So up there, ooh, I don't want to get too close, he might drop something on me, but up there is the old vent for the old vent hood, and our new vent hood, we are not going to use the vent portion, right? We're going to do ventless, so that's like with the filter and stuff. So he's taking down all of that stuff there, and I think we're gonna leave that open, but we're
gonna leave that.
Yeah, we're just not gonna use it.
Just in case. I mean, we could always
Convert it back.
right.
Right. Okay. Let me show everybody. So this is all Keith's handiwork. So if you see yellow wire, it's new wiring that Keith has done, and he pretty much has us set up. These top ones up here are for under cabinet lighting, correct?
These right here.
Right.
This goes to the island. This is an outlet. I figure we'll have a cabinet there, one on each part there, and one over here.
So the single is an outlet, and the double are switches. Or the double.
The double's a switch in and out.
Okay.
That single right there is the switch for the can over the sink.
For the recess, yeah.
Recess over the sink, yes.
So
We put all these switches in.
yeah.
The switch bank,
Yeah.
outlet, under counter lighting.
Cool beans, love muffin. So yeah, all of these wires you see sticking out of the ceiling. These 3 are pendant lights, and then there's lighting
All the rest of
all around the house for recess. So yeah, thanks, hon. It looks good.
Yeah.
Y'all probably can't tell, but I can tell. So it looks good. This is all the old stuff that we got to get out of here. What are we gonna do about this board here? You said you wanted to take this out to fix that pipe.
Well, right there, where that little piece is, I gotta take out. We gotta.
But we have to put in a base cabinet, so we need to go ahead and get that done.
Yeah. Well,
You
we
need
get
to
the
open
we
it
get the ceiling up, and then we'll worry about that.
All right, so yeah, we have to go to get ceiling, drywall mud, tape, all that fun stuff to get the ceiling back up. And then we're gonna do in some spray insulation, so that'd be great. It's getting to the point now where we're gonna have to start, instead of tackling one thing at a time, we're gonna have to start jumping on multiple things at a time. I mean, it's just getting to that point. The flooring's almost here, and the floor is not prepped to be ready for the floor to be here, so we need to get into overdrive. So that's what we've been doing. And after that, we'll pick up PetSmart. We'll pick up a PetSmart order for a Boogaloo, and then that'll be our day. And then we'll be back here working on the house. It's Saturday, time to rejuvenate. I did have a really rough week last week. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should be. I shared that in my Instagram stories. That you know, it's just a little toughy for me with everything that's been going on. But you know, God is faithful and just, and we have our health and we have income, even though it's greatly affected. You know, we have income. So yeah, we're just thankful and blessed and just enjoying life. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so it's Sunday and we haven't filmed anything, so we'll be filming sometime tomorrow afternoon or evening, I guess, or maybe tonight. But I just wanted to come to y'all and show y'all what the ceiling looks like now. Last time y'all saw it, we had the wiring and stuff done, but now we have ceiling up and it's mudded and we're just waiting on it to dry. Then it needs to be sanded and we'll be painting hopefully sometime this week. Flooring is being delivered tomorrow, so we're really excited. So let me just show y'all what's going on. Okay, so this is the ceiling. As you can see, it definitely needs to be sanded, but we have the sheetrock up and the wiring hanging out for all the recess cans and the light fixtures. So yeah, it looks really rough right now, but those gaps you see will be covered by crown molding. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Happy, babe?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, we went and bought paint. For the ceiling and for the walls. This stuff has just been taking up so much of our time. We haven't had time to film any advice videos or any fun challenge videos or anything like that. So we may try to get an advice video out or something, but I'm definitely gonna have this vlog go up. If not tomorrow, which will be Monday, it'll be up Tuesday. So yeah, that's what's been going on. Y'all said y'all wanted to see the vlogs of the house, so that's what we're doing. We're just gonna relax now and watch some Game of Thrones and enjoy our Sunday. And talk to y'all later. Love y'all.
Bye, guys.
Bye.